My name is Gala. In my video, I'm going to share bunny head napkin fold. This Easter bunny napkin technique can be displayed in two different styles. I fold the napkin towards myself 2 times. Then I make crease on the middle so I can see where the center of napkin. Then I fold towards the top, right and left side of napkin. Then I fold left and right top of corners towards the center. In next step, I fold in sides towards the center again. If we turn around, it will be bunny head. I added edible candy eyes and tiny heart for nose from my cake decor. Next style we can place directly on a plate or inside wine glass. After I make face for my bunny, I turn around and tackle one side into another. But it's not holds well if you use silky fabric napkin. The solution to hold ears together we can easily find in the craft stores. In my video, I using Easter decorated wire. Visit my website. You can find there much more napkins technique folds than on my YouTube channel.